Okay, hi, I'm with Adam Gardner, Director of Sentek Solution. Hi Adam.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What is Sentek Solutions?
Sentek Solutions are the European distributor for a company called Hikoyo, who are a Japanese manufacturing company. They specialize in producing small laser rangefinders, and these devices are used on robots so as to give a idea of sight, let's say. They provide a distance and an angle for everything that surrounds them. Then what they can do is they can build up this information to produce very detailed mapping, as you can see, for instance, here behind on the... So what you see is this sort of mapping of an area which gives a robot a very clear view, and a view which gives precise data of what is around it. So the robot can then make decisions as to what to do in its particular environment. The beauty of the products of Hikoyo's are the fact that they're very light and they're very small and they don't use a lot of power. So therefore you can manipulate them, so you can put them on the end of an articulated arm, or you can put them on a small robot, or for instance a drone robot for a helicopter type of robot to inspect and do mapping. So they specialize in this area, and this is something that we are trying to promote and sell into the European market, specifically into France.
Okay, and that's why you're here.
That's why we're here, yes, yeah. And you can see, for instance, behind here, there's one of these little devices in the top of a Neo, which I'm sure everybody is familiar with. And this enables the Neo, or has allowed the Neo, to actually climb stairs, which is the only robot that's actually managed to climb stairs, apart from Asimov, the Honda robot, which is a lot more expensive. So we supply into the whole robotic industry, and we feature quite a lot in things like the RoboCup, in rescue robots, robots at home, and also now we're starting to have these sort of devices in the robotic football sector as well. So, which is quite amazing. The problem
in the robotic football sector.
Robotic football, yeah.
What is it?
Right. The RoboCup is a cup where robots are set different challenges. Okay, rescue robots are robots that are put into a situation like an earthquake or like a disaster, and they have to find their way around particular mazes and things like that, and find bodies which tend to be dolls. So that's their challenge. Robots at home is where you're looking at setting challenges for serving the elderly and things like that. Robotic football is literally where you have robots of different types playing football against each other. So you have several different types of robotic football. Some is called humanoid robotic football, where you have humanoid robots, a bit like Neo. And Neo is one of the standard platforms for one sector of robotic football, and the other is something called mid-size, which is where you have robots which are around about this big, and they go on wheels and they move around something which is almost the same size as a five-a-side football pitch, and they move very fast and they kick the ball around. They look very strange, but if you look at it on YouTube, you'll see it at some point. So,
okay, thank you very much.
That's a pleasure. Thank you for coming to see us today. Thank you.